So $6 trillion vanished in 60 minutes. Gold down $500. Silver down $13. If you bought the top, this video might save you from the next crash. More than $6 trillion disappeared in just 60 minutes. If you bought at the top, thoughts and prayers. Silver just crashed from $121 to $108. Gold dumped from $5,600 to $5,200. And most people have no idea why. Right now, somewhere in the world, someone is staring at their screen, watching their portfolio bleed. Liquidations, triggering liquidations, stop losses getting hunted, leverage getting wiped. And mainstream financial media will tell you this is just volatility, normal behavior, nothing to worry about. They're lying. What happened today was not random. It was not unexplainable. And if you don't understand why this crash happened, the next one will destroy you. Because I've seen this exact pattern before. Not months ago, weeks ago, December 2025. Same setup, same panic, same cascade of liquidations. And you know what happened next? January exploded. Gold up 30%, silver up 65%. One of the biggest monthly rallies in decades. So is today the end or the beginning of something much bigger? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what caused this crash. You'll understand the hidden force that controls gold and silver, the one most investors completely ignore. And I'll show you the historical pattern that tells us what happens next. I'm also making a specific prediction with a specific date, on the record. Miss that, and you could miss the biggest opportunity of this cycle. Stay with me. This matters. What really happened today is February 1st, 2026. Gold was trading at $5,600. Silver was at $121. 60 minutes later, gold crashed to $5,100. Silver collapsed to $108. That's $500 wiped off gold and $13 off silver in 1 hour. If you had $100,000 in silver, you now have $89,000. $11,000 gone. Faster than a Netflix episode. And if you were leveraged, margin calls hit. Forced selling started. Selling pushed prices lower, more margin calls, more liquidations, a waterfall of red. This wasn't an accident. Crashes like this never are. Someone saw this coming. Institutions, big money. They saw Fed signals before you did. They saw China data before it went public. They positioned early. And when the crash hit, they were ready. They were buying your panic sells. That's how the game works. The real cause. Most people miss this. Gold and silver didn't crash because something is wrong with gold or silver. They crashed because of one thing, the DXY, the dollar index. The DXY measures the strength of the US dollar against other major currencies. Here's the rule that changes everything. Gold and silver move opposite the dollar. Almost always. When the dollar strengthens, metals fall. When the dollar weakens, metals rise. Think of a seesaw. Dollar on one side, gold and silver on the other. When the dollar goes up, metals go down. Today, the DXY surged. The dollar side went up. Gold and silver got crushed. This isn't manipulation. This isn't conspiracy. This is basic market mechanics that 90% of retail investors ignore. Professionals don't just watch gold charts, they watch the dollar. By the time you saw the red candle, they were already out. You were exit liquidity. Why the dollar spiked? 3 reasons. Reason number 1, the Federal Reserve. The Fed is hawkish. Rates staying higher for longer. Higher rates, stronger dollar. Stronger dollar, weaker metals. Reason number 2, China slowing down bad news for silver. Over 50% of silver demand is industrial. China slows, demand fears, silver gets hit harder. Reason number 3, US government shutdown fears. Markets hate uncertainty. After massive gains this month, traders needed an excuse to take profits. This was it. All 3 hit at the same time. Result? $6 trillion evaporated in 60 minutes. The pattern. Most people ignore. Silver is gold on steroids. Gold moves 5%. Silver moves 10, 12%. Gold drops 8%. Silver drops 15, 20%. That's why silver gained 65% this month. And why it crashed harder today. This matters if you trade silver. It makes you rich faster or wipes you out faster. What comes next? On the record. I've seen this before. December crash, January explosion. Now look at today, January 29th, end of month crash. Same fear, same panic. The fundamentals haven't changed. Central banks still buying, BRICS still stacking, silver supply still in deficit, de-dollarization still accelerating. Only sentiment changed, and sentiment flips fast. My prediction, silver back above $120 by February 15th. Not March, not summer. February 15th. Screenshot it. Hold me accountable.